Today I'm making lettuce wrap. All you need is, I have here 4 big leaves of lettuce, and also I'm using the organic raisins from Trader Joe's. I'm also using the apple cider vinegar. I love using this product because it's raw and it's unfiltered. I'm using a little bit of cayenne pepper. We have a little, sea salt here, and lemon. And here I have chopped some onions and tomatoes, and I also add a little chopped or minced garlic. You could add a little bit more of the tomatoes. I ran out of tomatoes, so I'm just using a little bit of tomatoes. And also I'm using these organic, beautiful organic avocados. Okay. First, what I'm gonna do is cut these avocados. I love avocados because it's very creamy and it's very rich, and it has good fat. It's better than using a mayo and all. Okay, it shouldn't come out this way, but it doesn't matter. What I'm gonna do is try to get the most out of this avocados. So I'm gonna take out the seed. Be careful when you use the knife. Turn it. This avocado should not come out this way, but hey, we'll do our best. We can still eat it. And chop this up into little pieces. And I already washed my hands, and this is for me to eat, so I don't mind using my hands. If you want to use a glove, by all means you can do that. It's whatever you want. Okay, as you can see, I'm putting all these avocados. You can also use a spoon to scoop this out. Take this out. And like I said, it should come out easily, but I don't know what happened to this avocado. Well, it doesn't matter anyway. Oh, I know why, because on this side it's not really fully ripe, so the other side was ripe. That's why it got stuck. Anyway, I'm gonna cut this, take the most out of this. Okay, we're good here. If you want to make it a little smaller, you can do that, whatever size you want. And then I'm going to mix all this. Alright, here you go. We're going to mix all these ingredients together. And then I'm going to add a little lemon juice here. Majority of the ingredients that I'm using, the main ingredients, are organic because I prefer using organic without the pesticides. And now I'm going to add the raisins. I like using raisins because it gives a little sweetness. It has a tangy, sweet and sour taste to it. I'm going to add a little bit more raisins. I can squeeze in a little bit more, I guess. Get the most out of our lovely lemon here. Now I'm going to use salt. Sea salt. Sprinkle a little sea salt. You can add whichever amount you prefer. I use cayenne pepper. And then the apple cider vinegar. mix it up again. This is a great appetizer because it's vegan and you don't need mayo, and it's healthy and gives you all the nutrients you need, and it's easy to make. Nice. I love the texture of it because it looks really, really creamy and yummy. You can also taste it, you know, see what is missing and add more salt if you think you need more salt, and add more cayenne pepper if you think you want it a little spicy. But I'll go with this because I'm used to making this and I'm comfortable with the amount that I use. Okay, let me show you the final step. What I do, move all this around, is to salt this. And all you need to do is put a little bit on each. I'm going to use this plate. And I have the sweet potato that I baked earlier. So you have your vegetable dish and your starches. And you know, it is a great appetizer or great meal. And I definitely think that if you want to go healthy and you're looking for some quick meal, anyone can make this. So good luck with making this.